Hello everyone, welcome back. We are making today a one delicious recipe that is karjikai. Yes, we call it as a karjikai in our language. It's a sweet, crunchy dish. It's a snack also. It's very nice, tasty. So without any delay, let's start. For this, take a bowl. In a vessel, add 1 cup of wheat flour. This is whole wheat flour, so add that, and for into this going to add little pinch of salt, pink Himalayan salt, and then go for 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So it's a peanut butter. Try to not bring from store bought. You can make it yourself. Just grind it, roasted peanuts till it become butter. That's it. It's not going to be hurdle. It is very easy. You can make it yourself. So just mix properly. Then you add water little by little, and you have to mix the dough until like it get chapati consistency. That much only, and we have to keep this for rest for 2 to 3 hours. So that is you have to keep in mind. Okay, so dough is ready. Then let's make a powder. We have to put that inside. So I have taken jaggery here, but I have grinded this in a mixer jar, and I have taken here roasted gram dal, and this is coconut, dry coconut. I have slightly roasted it, not much. So before first we are grinding only gram dal, roasted gram dal. Okay, so it should be like fine powder. Okay, for this I am going to add here cardamom, two cardamoms, and the jaggery. So we are grinding this one. Coconut we will add later. So first grind that one. See, after grinding jaggery and gram dal, now I am adding here coconut, dry coconut. Okay, so after this, like, you will get a very delicious powder, like we will eat this like that itself, like it's very tasty. You just try this. We like, I like to, especially I like to eat like this only powder. And we will make this powder for our like festivals and all in our place, like North Karnataka. And we will add with banana also, then we will eat. Even we will add with coconut milk, and we will eat. So it is like all kind of recipes we make that. So okay, the powder is ready. Take a small piece of dough, and what you had to do is you had to roll it lengthwise with a rolling pin. Use that one, and no need to dust floor. Without that only it will come. See, you have to place that on your hand like this way, and gently you have to put powder which we have just grinded it, and see how much powder it will take. That much powder you have to fill. So if you have a machine, that pressing machine, that also you can use, but this is the lengthier one, right? So yeah, you can do with the hand only. Otherwise you can do the small one, that is fine. So your measurement, like you decide, make it, put little also, more also. See whichever you feel good, the tastier one, you can continue that doing. So what I'm doing here is like you are making design for that. It looks so pretty, when we do some decoration or design. We do that design for all karjikai, we say that, right? So just do it everything, like you can just press it, or you can make design also. It is very easy, like making design. So just press it one side from the corner, then it will become like this design. So remaining also you do it like this. And we had to do the oven. I have OTG oven here. I'm keeping here 20 minutes before, like I didn't do the preheating, so I am keeping here 20 minutes, so that see, 10 minutes left. So approximately, like I have done preheat 10 minutes around, and now I am keeping this here in the oven. So only for 10 minutes I guess it will be done. So before that, like after 4 3 minutes, just you have to rotate this, flip it. Okay, So keep one eye in that, and then see, mine is one side is done, so that I'm going to flip it. But careful, you take some spoon or something, then you do it. Don't do it with the hand, it is hot. For me also it was hot. So now both side is done. It's very easy, right? And it didn't take much time. It is very easy and very tasty and very delicious snacks. It's a sweet snack, right? So even kids will also love this. I like this very much. And like we make this one in a deep fried one. So my mom was like, I have taken oath, right, that I don't eat deep fried items. So I was missing this item. My mom said like, oh, why not you make it in oven? Let's try it. And I didn't use sugar also. Jaggery we used, and maida also we used to do that, but I'm not using here maida, whole wheat. So it was very delicious. Like I was not missing anything now. Like I used to miss this item, but now I'm very satisfied, and it was very delicious. You should also try this. So okay, hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Namaste.